special delivery. VINGLI portable sink. We're gonna do an unboxing and a reveal of this baby. And I'm gonna show you guys why this portable sink is the best one to get on Amazon. So let's check it out. All right, so first thing is first. First thing I notice is the sink. Look how cute it is. Okay, so it's got exactly as advertised. A little drainer right here. You can't see. That's nice. And this is what the other side looks like. And here's your little pretty cute. And then you have yourself a little towel rack. Ooh, for your towel. You can twist it all the way to the other side, however you want to have it. You can put it the way you want. So there's that. Next is going to be the stem. That's pretty simple. Nope, not as simple as I thought. Wonder why. We're gonna have to figure that out. Okay, this has got to be the real thing here. Nope. Well, we're gonna have to find some instructions on that. See what's in here. Cute! The little spigot. Very nice. Very good. That's gonna go right here. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, that's all that was in there. This is the 4-gallon capacity for the water storage. You can fill this up. There's the water pump. Once that's connected, nice little handle. Oh my gosh, that's so nice. Very good. Looking good. And then the last thing, all the other tubing and equipment. We're gonna put that together. So let's see what these instructions say about how to get this top part of the sink on. So we'll be right back with you. So already I'm noticing right off the bat I can't even get this thing to connect inside of here. This is not pushing down like at all. So I'm gonna have to figure this out and why it's doing this. But it should be simple. I should be able to stick this in here and it's not letting me, like, at all.
我们借助这个双手按压的两侧，然后用力往下压。OK， 这个位置是安装进去的。一下，这个位置没有闪缝，证明这个安装是到位的。
That side. Which side? So are the holes? They're supposed to like link up, like so not. Yeah, like that. Yeah. And it's supposed to click. It's not going in. Why won't it work?
Complete and total failure. Not only is the sink not attaching to the column, but even when I took a piece of duct tape and just attached it that way to see if all the other connections would work, they did not. The whole reason why I bought this portable sink and why it was gonna be the best portable sink you could buy on Amazon was because it has the ability to hook to an actual garden hose. And so I was going to connect our hose to the sink and then we'd have running water. And this sink is the only one you can buy on Amazon that actually has a knob and the ability to connect to the garden hose. So none of them do that except for this one. I thought that was a really cool feature, but it doesn't function without leaking everywhere. And now I'm asking Amazon for a refund. But more than likely, I'm not going to get a full refund on the product. It's probably just going to be like 80% after shipping. So pretty much I wasted my money once again on another Amazon product that I thought could just make my life easier. But apparently that's just not possible. So back to square one. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel. We appreciate it. Bye-bye.